So what are you making?
Pranali's favorite thing that her mom used to make, but now life of an immigrant. So in New Year, I am becoming her mom and making a cutlet because I'm doing Hulk smash.
You don't need to make noise.
Hulk. Does anybody say no to make noise to Hulk? I'm Hulk and I'm smashing. So let's add some pigeon peas. Fun fact: these are not peas made out of pigeon, but these are named as pigeon peas.
Yeah, in Hindi or in Gujarati we call tuver.
Tuver. And then the main ingredient of the dish, lilu lasan.
Lilu lasan, green garlic.
Green garlic.
You have this kutne wala also?
Yes, I bought it.
कहाँ से?
Kitchen Stuff Plus. My favorite.
You get in Canada too. ये कूटने वाला.
Yeah. And you can get masta hubby like me also in Canada.
Oh, not in Canada. I got this from Mumbai.
Yeah, but there are some.
कितना डाला? You are explaining a recipe, right?
Okay.
Almost
taste
one
anusar.
spoon. 1 to 2 spoons you can add.
Yeah.
Green garlic.
Okay. Spices में हम डालेंगे salt,
स्वाद
sugar,
अनुसार.
salt, sugar, garam masala, स्वाद अनुसार.
अच्छा, सब कुछ स्वाद अनुसार. Yeah, जिसको जितना
When you
स्वाद.
don't know, when you don't know how much quantity to add, just mention स्वाद अनुसार.
Okay.
And everything is good.
Okay. बस.
स्वाद अनुसार.
हो गया
स्वाद
अपना
मस्त आना
स्वाद.
चाहिए. स्वाद एकदम.
And lilu lasan mein you even added this green chilies, right?
Yeah, lilu lasan paste. So with green chilies.
Okay. Now what you are adding?
Sugar.
Sugar.
It's not brown, but it's coconut sugar.
Yeah.
स्वाद अनुसार.
बस. Coconut sugar को थोड़ा it is not much sweet, so
Yeah,
it's
so-
spoons. Then garam masala.
It's very garam hoga.
It's hot. Your cartoon.
And now Nibu. Lemon squeezer bought from Kitchen Stuff Plus.
Kitchen stuff plus वालों को I have to reach.
Reach. I am telling you, reach. They
I
review
know
me.
you need to pay us commission.
Yeah, they will.
Now
Affiliate marketing. Now mix.
so easy, right?
I know.
Your cutlet is ready.
No, you need to cook.
Okay.
Cannot just start eating this.
Okay.
आजकल के बच्चे they see everything ready made, so they feel that okay, they're ready. It's
You
not
have to
that.
cook.
हमारा खून पसीना सब मिक्स करके हम ये कुक करते हैं.
हाथ
So-
से मिक्स नहीं करते.
नहीं, हम मॉडर्न माँ का रूप है.
अच्छा, okay.
So हम सब ऐसे ही मिक्स करते
You forgot coriander, but it's okay. I don't like
हैं. Yeah,
that.
that's why I know.
Yeah. So this way make cutlet, then
Then
roll it in breadcrumbs.
roll it in breadcrumbs and then keep it over here and then apply ghee on the side.
Okay.
And behind the scenes, ask your wife to make this round because you don't know.
So you should learn.
It's not my cup of tea.
अच्छा.
Some things I know that it's not my cup of tea, so it's better that ask your wife to do it.
Okay. Yummy. Ghee, oil, butter, whatever you like. The easy peasy cutlet or tikki recipe is ready. Let's taste.
Well made.
Well made. Of course you will love it because you have made it. But must try, right?
Must.
Very easy and very tasty. Chatpati
Yeah.
tikki, right?
It's really good.
Hmm.